Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Joysmita Singh and I will be very happy if you take a moment to subscribe down below. So guys, today I'm going to do get to know me better tag because many of you guys were knowing me, would have known me from my Instagram. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, starting from very basic questions like what's my name, what's my age and stuff. So let's begin with then I'll further get into some of the questions which you might know or you might not know, and you get to know me much more better. So the first of all, the first question is, what is my name? You heard it earlier also, Joysmita Singh, and I'm 17 years old. I'm studying right now. And about my family, I have an elder brother and I live with my parents, my brother and my grandparents. Yeah, that's the most common stuff. Now let's get into questions. I have a laptop there, I'll be reading from there, so ये मत समझना मैं बहंगी हूँ. So I'll be reading the questions from there and I'll be answering you guys. So firstly, what was the best vacation you ever took and why? Now with I have two vacations which are my most best. Now with my family, that was my brother and my parents and me. It was, I think, when I was like 6 years back. It was to Hyderabad. It was such an amazing experience, going to many places I have never ever visited. And now with my friends, I have gone once only. That was in my 10th class trip to Udaipur and Mount Abu. Now it will be a lifetime memory with me. And yeah, now what are your hobbies and how did you get into them? Now my hobbies was basically starting like I love to make videos like lip singing and like somewhat videos to be on camera. So I started doing YouTube. And one of my main hobbies that most of you must be knowing, like cooking. I basically love cooking. And how did I get into it? Because I loved seeing my mother cook, because it's not passion but जो मज़ा आता है ना खाना बना के, वो खुद खाने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आता. Now, would you say you are more of an extrovert or an introvert? I would say I'm more of an extrovert because मैं बहुत मुंहफट हूँ. मैं मुंह पे बोल देती हूँ. मुझे outing बहुत पसंद है. So yeah. What was the last TV show slash YouTube slash Netflix you binge watched? Now basically I binge watching YouTube nowadays. So, and series not as such. I see couple of YouTube channels, so like some challenges, some fun stuff. So next question, are you into podcasts or do you only listen to music? I love listening to music and I am definitely podcast. I love Cherry Lip Gloss. I love Mama Knows the Best of Addison Rae. It's amazing. Like, it's so damn. Now, do you have a favorite holiday? Why or why not? इट्स अ टू साइडेड क्वेश्चन. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी उसका भी रीज़न है, क्योंकि मेरे पे रीज़न नहीं है तो मैं ना भी नहीं ना. नाउ आई डू हैव अ फेवरेट हॉलीडे समर, बिकॉज मुझे वो 1.5 मंथ की हॉलीडेज या 1 मंथ की मिल जाती हैं. एंड अगर मैं ना बोलूँगी तो आई डोंट लाइक हैव. तो मेरे लिए समर, ऑल्दो इट्स हॉट, इट्स नॉट माई फेवरेट हॉलीडे, बट आई लव समर्स. एक तो मेरा बर्थडे आता है. या बेसिकली आई एम बॉर्न ऑन June 19, 2003. So this was also a question. Next, so yeah, if you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Now one food, it would be definitely, most of you might not know, but I love pav bhaji. I can die for it. I don't know why, but I love it. Do you like going to the movies or prefer watching at home? I prefer them watching at home. Now you will say you are an extrovert, how come you prefer watching? No, basically going to movies. ठीक है, मुझे जो लगता है मूवीज़ में मुझे पसंद आती है. आई लव गोइंग टू थिएटर विद माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई फ्रेंड्स. it's like I would prefer watching it at home because I have to be like more comfy. But yeah, would you rather go to beach or go camping? Go to beach, obviously. What would you tell to your 10-year-old self? What would I tell to man? Now this is not basically get to know me, this is basically answering some of your questions. Not basically. Now basically what would I say to my 10-year-old self is, कभी भी ज़्यादा इरिटेट मत हो. मैं बहुत रोती हूँ, आई एम बिगेस्ट रोंदू, तो इतना मत रो. एंड बी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. जब मैं छोटी थी तो आई वॉज लाइक, मुझे बुरा भी नहीं लगता था, मुझे सब बोलते थे. नॉट बेसिकली फैट शेम, बॉडी शेम, बट मुझे बहुत ताने अभी भी पड़ते हैं कि तू कितनी मोटी है नहीं हो. तो आई वाज लाइक, उस समय मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगता था, बट अब तो मैं, बिकॉज आई हैव सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस इन माई बॉडी. लाइक नो, मेरी बॉडी में जैसा चाहूँगी मुझे वो रहना है. ठीक है मैं मोटी हूँ, आई लिटरली डोंट केयर. मुझे जब मन करेगा मैं पतली होंगी, मैं किसी के बोलने से नहीं होंगी. ओके, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट आइसक्रीम टॉपिंग? मैंगोज, फ्रोजन मैंगोज इज माई फेवरेट आइसक्रीम टॉपिंग. लेट मी गो एंड सी what type of music I am into. I'm basically into more of a hip hop style music. Do you have a pet peeves? Like I do have a pet peeve, and my most common one is like, मुझे नहीं पसंद लोग वो, अगर मैंने आपको कॉल किया है, मैसेज किया है, ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर बिजी आई अंडरस्टैंड है, एटलीस्ट रिप्लाई विद अ मैसेज. कोई इतना बिजी नहीं होता कि 10 कॉलों के बाद आप एक मैसेज नहीं ड्रॉप कर सकते. दैट इरिटेट्स मी एंड दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट टर्न ऑफ फ्रॉम अ पर्सन ऑल्सो. लाइक अगर इफ आई हैव कॉल्ड समबडी, आई हैव गिवन देम 4-5 मिस कॉल, ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड यू बिजी, एटलीस्ट ड्रॉप अ मैसेज, आई विल कॉल यू टुमारो, आई एम बिजी राइट नाउ. दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट पेट पीव. मेरे साथ बहुत होता है ऐसा कि मेरे देते हैं. विच मील इज़ योर फेवरेट? ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर? मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट अभी लंच का टाइम होता है, मेरा लंच डिनर पता नहीं. वॉट सॉन्ग ऑलवेज गेट यू ऑन द डांस फ्लोर? अब ये एक पंजाबी गाने, दिलजीत के गाने, एंड एक तारा रारा. दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट. मैं नाचूंगी. वेन यू आर अ किड, डिड यू ईट द क्रस्ट ऑन योर सैंडविच और नॉट? आई ईट इट, बट आई नो सम पीपल दे डोंट ईट इट. दैट्स ऑल्सो माई पेट पीव कि क्यों नहीं खाते हो. वॉट एक्टिविटी इंस्टेंटली काम्स यू? लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. Ideally, how would you spend your birthday? I would spend my birthday like, अब मुझे ये नहीं समझ आता एक दिन क्यों होता है, 2 दिन होना चाहिए. एक फैमिली के साथ, एक फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ना बेसिकली अगर मुझे अपने आप करना है तो आई विल पैम्पर माई सेल्फ, विच आई डिड ऑन माई 17th बर्थडे. आई लिटरली पैम्पर्ड माई सेल्फ. आई गॉट माई नेल्स डन, आई डिड माई हेयर, आई डिड माई मेकअप. आई विल पैम्पर्ड माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि उस समय कोई नहीं था, कुछ नहीं कर सकती थी मैं. तो आई विल पैम्पर माई सेल्फ दी मोस्ट. What's the phone app you use the most? I used to use TikTok the most. Now I basically use either YouTube or Reels. Insta maybe I don't go over to post, I go to Reels. Would you rather cook or ordering? Cook, but if I am in a mood. Now my mood is basically, it all depends on. If I'm not in a mood, I'll not. I'll just order, which I do most of the times. But I love cooking, but mood की बात है. Have you ever disliked something and then changed your mind? Yes, persons के perspective में. I used to hate one of my friend who is currently my best friend. I used to hate her and क्यों है ये बंदी, when I was like 5-6 years back when we just मिले थे, but now we are the most closed people. She's one of my very most people. What's your favorite board game? My favorite board game, Ludo. Ludo भी नहीं, सांप सीढ़ी, snake and ladder. How do you take your coffee? Cold coffee, any season, I don't care. Cold coffee is cold coffee. What's your most prized possession and why? My dog. I know you guys have not seen him. Many of you might have, but in one of the videos I'll do with him, and his name is Tiger. And I call him Nuna, Chota, and he's my most prized possession. He's my Jaan, he's my life. Is there any product that you couldn't live without? Lip balm. मुझे chappy lips बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I love lip balms. Is ये हो गया. If you could have an exotic animal as a pet, which would it be? अगर टाइगर, अगेन नॉट माई वाला बट ओरिजिनल टाइगर, इफ आई कुड हैव इट आई विल कीप इट. मुझे लोगों को बहुत मजे आते हैं डराने में. What would be the first thing you would do if you won the lottery? Depends on the amount of lottery. If it's like a practical amount, I will spend it practically. If it's very high amount, I'll spend on myself and pamper myself. No. What annoys you the most? I have told you this was my biggest pet peeve. So I've come up with some more questions. Now I don't want to be like very long. Where would you like to be in 5 years? In 5 years, I'm basically looking to myself as. पहले ही निकल गया स्कूटी, रुक जाओ. हो गया इस पागल का. हाँ. In 5 years, where I would be, like currently I am, next year I'll go to college. So 5 years, या तो at the end of the college or on my first year at job I'll look it to be. शादी तो बिल्कुल नहीं. What was the experience that impacted you the most in your life? These past 6 months have literally upside down my life because I have seen people changing a lot. So these last 6 months will be the most important memory that I will ever have, that will remind me that you have to learn from your past mistakes. What type of relationship do you have with your parents? They are my friends also, and I share everything with my mother, each and everything. Would you be with someone who doesn't have the same beliefs as you? I don't want to be with anyone. How would your best friend describe you? That's तो मैं उन्हें बुलाऊंगी तो पूछना पड़ेगा. They know. Are you a sarcastic person or are you most or intelligent? I am definitely an sarcastic person. I don't know क्यों लोग को लगता है मेरी शक्ल से मैं इंटेलिजेंट मैं हूँ नहीं. But I am definitely a sarcastic person. My 90% talks is a sarcastic talk. Would you put your family or your friends first if you had to choose one? Who would you put? Definitely my family, because they are the reason why I am here. What are the qualities you are looking for in someone you want to grow old with? No qualities, because I'm not looking to someone to grow old with. I will grow and glow myself. What are you most grateful for you in your life? My dog. Like basically 3 years back मेरी एक small story है कि 3 साल पहले in 2017 in July I got him. तो उससे पहले मेरे को in 2016 दिसंबर मेरे को एक डॉग ने बाइट कर दिया था मेरे लेग पे. मुझे तब से एक फियर बैठ गया था. Now if in 2017 he was almost a month when we got him, and that too it's a very interesting story कि मेरे भाई ने मेरे घर में किसी को नहीं बताया था कि हम डॉग ला रहे हैं. वो उसका 12th हुआ था उस समय, तो वो गया था वो पैसे लेके कि ही वांट टू बाय अ जी शॉक. ये टुक 10-12,000 कि मुझे जी शॉक खरीदनी है या मुझे वॉच खरीदनी है कोई भी महंगी सी, एंड ही टुक द मनी कि मैं ले आऊँगा. एंड वो एक डॉग ले आया जर्मन शेफर्ड, and he just bought him, and I was the most scared one. वो हमारे घर से भी नहीं आया. हमारे बराबर में एक घर है, उसमें से उनकी और हमारी छत कनेक्टेड है, तो वो उनकी छत से हमारी छत पे आया. उसने मुझे कॉल किया कि तू बाहर आ, छत पे आ, एक बाउल ला, उसमें पानी ले आ और एक और बाउल ला जिसमें मैं इसको दे दूँगा, कुछ खाने का भूखा है. मतलब सोचो 1 month old पप्पी, आप समझ सकते हो कितना सा. मैं उससे डर रही थी. For 1 week I didn't step a foot down my रूम until and unless वो था उस कमरे में. मुझे इतना डर लगता था. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मेरा भाई वो से लाया. मेरा डर तो नहीं एग्जैक्टली निकला, बट आई बेसिकली यूज टू हेट डॉग्स. मतलब ऐसा हेट नहीं कि आई विल हिट देम और समथिंग, नो. मुझे डर लगता था उनसे, तो मैं उनसे दूर ही रहती थी. मुझे पसंद भी नहीं मैं किसी को हिट करूं, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट, वो भी एक जीव है, तो उन्हें भी लाइफ है. तो आई वॉज लाइक मुझे दूर रहता है, मुझे डर लगता है. एंड नाउ आई एम लाइक मेरा दोस्त है, मेरे मतलब ही इज़ द वन कि मैं उसे बोलती रहती हूँ, चाहे मुझे पता है वो मेरा कोई रिप्लाई नहीं देगा, तो फिर मैं पूरा उसी दिन चबर 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 उससे बोलती रहूँगी. नाउ दिस वुड बी माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत लंबी है वीडियो हो गई है. व्हाट्स द वन थिंग यू वुड लाइक टू चेंज अबाउट योर सेल्फ टुडे एंड व्हाई? Now basically I would change about myself is that if problem I have discussed earlier also, कि अगर ये हो जाए तो वो मेरी उस हिसाब से थॉट कि मुझे वो चेंज करना है तो है. बस that's it. Some of the juicy, not juicy, some of the most interesting questions, जो facts आपको मेरे बारे में पता चले होंगे आज. And I'm basically setting my hair to good look for the outro. So I hope you guys loved seeing me answering some of the questions that you must have been in your mind and you never got to ask me. So if you do, then you know the drill. Don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell. Love you, bye, peace.
Started, I know that you want it, baby, just get on it, ready to go. We know how to party, pull up the Bacardi, feel it in my body, put on a show. Yeah, let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna slow down. All the girls looking hot like a hoe down. Everybody going off in my hometown, ready for a showdown. Keep it on the low now. We about to pop off like a bottle. Everybody knows that we're going full throttle. Drinking alcohol, yeah, straight from the nozzle. End of the night, end up horizontal. They want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us before. A sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Everybody like the 8, everybody like the 8.